Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will show how to remotely connect Microsoft SQL Server 2022 using Oracle SQL Developer. In this regards I need to configure some option. See, at first I need to see the target and source IP address. After that I will go for configuration some option. Please see the option. SQL Server Management Studio opening. Purpose it is taking time. Okay. Just see, I need to go for configuration some option. See, this should be activate. Just open this. I also need to enable it TCP IP port. Need to check the port number. Okay. Just restart the service. It is already started. Now I will go for need to check firewall. Firewall should be disabled. Just check it. All options will be disabled for remote connectivity. Need to find a target IP. See, it is my target IP address. Now need to download this Java. I have already downloaded. See, you can download from this link and install it. Open Oracle Developer. add to Java. Just attached with it. See how can we attach with it. This is tricky, challenging, but not tough. See, it is already attached. Okay. Now need to connect with database. Windows authentication. I will not use here Windows authentication. See the port. Just I will deselect the Windows authentication. I will connect through SA. Yes, it is success. Now connect. See, now it is connected, and see the target database and view, etc. So it is now it is connected. Thank you very much.